What's going on, guys? In this video, I'm going to show you how to make money online by using a specific strategy that I use every single day to make money on the internet. I make a full-time living, and this is one of the income streams that I have coming in every single day. As you can see on the screen here, I have some payments every single month that are recurring and coming in, and we're going to go over some more results in a minute when we get into the actual tutorial, and I'll break everything down for you so you can see exactly what I'm actually earning from this method. Now, this method is completely free. You will not need any money to start this, and there's only a few steps to actually follow, and I'm going to take you through every single step so you don't miss any steps. And I'm going to give you all of the tools that you need to make this method work. So what can you expect from this tutorial? I'm going to show you exactly how this works step by step, how to get started, how to get the tools needed for this, and how you can do this for completely free. And what I'm going to do in a minute is show you the exact results, take you through everything that you need, and show you a complete breakdown of what I have been making with this strategy. And I'm going to uncover everything, so you're going to want to stay all the way to the end so you can see how you can make money online using a strategy that I personally use in my business every single day. So let's jump into this tutorial. Don't forget to smash that like button so my next video comes out, and I'm going to show you right now how to make money online for beginners using my strategy. All right, guys, so first of all, before we jump into the tutorial, I want to actually show you some of the results that I've managed to get by promoting this particular product. Now, as you can see, this is a payment here for $5,800 in 1 month. However, that was actually over quite a few months, because what happened is I had an issue with a payment. There was something on my end that I actually forgot to update my payment details, and so I missed out on the commissions for that month, for those months, sorry, but I got paid out every single thing that I was owed for that particular month in January 2023. So on average, I earn around about 1,200, sometimes a little bit more, or 1,400 there from this affiliate marketing program. And if we actually go back, I've been doing this for some time now. We should be able to get you some more details here. And you can see, so we only display data in the last 365 days. So we were doing 1,600, 1,600, 1,700, 1,600, 1,500. And it's gone down a little bit. That's because I actually stopped putting a little bit of work into this. This is something that does become very passive because it's recurring commissions, but you do have to keep doing it over time just to keep it bumping up a little bit. But this is a really good way to make money online, and it's one of the ways that I make money online and one of the programs that I promote. So what you're actually going to be doing, and you can see here I've been paid over $76,000 promoting this particular program. Now what this is you can actually promote this in two ways. You can go ahead and get an affiliate bounty, which gives you $100 one-off commission when somebody signs up, or you can do the 33% commission every single month, which is recurring. If a person signs up and stays on every single month, you get 33% of the price that they paid. I recommend this one on the left. It probably is the best one. I've found this the best one, and this is the one that I'm using. And what we're promoting here is a program called Get Response. Let me show you exactly what this is, and then we can actually dive into how you can start creating content so you can start making money by promoting this particular platform. So Get Response is a platform where you can do email marketing, you can build websites, you can build funnels, you can do webinars. So you can actually look down here, you can do paid ads, autoresponders, pop-up forms, sales funnels. So how can you actually go out and promote this particular product? All right, guys, so we're going to do this in steps, and at the end I'm going to show you one of the things that I've done to help me make way more money with this. So the first step is you want to actually head over to getresponse.com, and you want to choose something from here. Think of it like a topic, because we're going to be using this to get our traffic later on in this tutorial. So for example, you could choose email marketing, website builder, anything like that. Just for this example, we're going to look at email marketing. So that's going to be our topic for this tutorial. The next step is you want to head over to a platform called OpenAI, and then click on Try ChatGPT. And you're going to be brought to a website like this where you can use artificial intelligence to create content. Now, I actually didn't have ChatGPT when I was starting to promote GetResponse. This is how we do it now. So what you want to do in ChatGPT, you want to create some content around email marketing and how to teach people how to do it. I'm going to write something out and I'll show you what I mean. Right, now I'm letting ChatGPT do its thing. I actually spelled something wrong. So I said create a 2,000 word ebook. Well, I actually messed that up really bad, but it doesn't matter because it's actually still doing what we need it to do. Now, what this is doing right now is it's creating an ebook that we can go ahead and use to make money online. And as you can see, it's actually writing a very good book about how to start an email list using GetResponse. Now, keep in mind, I'm keeping this basic for this tutorial. You'll probably want to do a longer book than this, but this is actually not too bad. What I'm going to do, it hasn't finished yet, but I'm going to copy some of this. And what you want to do now is you want to go to Google Documents and you want to paste it into Google Documents. Now what we have here is a free document that we can go ahead and give away. And in this document, we're going to put our affiliate link. So I'm going to go back to GetResponse here. I'm going to get my affiliate links. Make sure it's the recurring program link and copy this link. And I'm going to do, so it says sign up for GetResponse to get your account. So what we can do is we can go click on sign up button and we can actually highlight this. We can go and put our link in here. So when someone clicks on this link and sign up, we get the commission. And we can actually do something like this. Get your free account here. We'll say trial account, because it's a trial for 30 days. And then we can actually link it as well again. And we now have a free book that we can go ahead and give this away for free, okay? So that's what we want to be doing here. So we go to File, we go to Download, and we can download that as a PDF, or you can actually just send them straight to this page if you want without just make it so they can't edit it, they can only view it. Or you can go ahead and upload that PDF to Google Drive, and then we can actually go ahead and use that to make money online with affiliate marketing using ChatGPT. Now what I want to do is I want to show you another trick that you can actually do before we get into the traffic. And what I do, this is mine, is I give away a free email course showing people how to start an email marketing list for their business. Now this is completely free and I give this away for free. You can even get a copy yourself below. But inside this free course, it's only like 10 videos, I think, is an affiliate link, and I tell people to go ahead and sign up with my affiliate link to start their trial. And that's how, one of the ways I'm making these commissions. So that is another way. You can either go ahead and do a free course. I do find a free course does convert better, or you can go ahead and create a free ebook that we can now go and send traffic to. But I would recommend creating a free course if you can. It's really easy to do. You don't need to show your face or anything like that, but just pick one of these topics to go ahead and do some content about. Now you're going to be thinking to yourself, how can you actually go ahead and make money with affiliate marketing using these links? What you can do is you can go ahead and start YouTube content based around specific keywords. So for example, we have how to build email list or how to build a email list. And what this does is it brings up videos on YouTube where we can actually go ahead and click on these videos. And there's probably going to be some sort of affiliate link in these descriptions. I haven't actually checked, but there should be some affiliate links in these descriptions here. Okay, so she doesn't have any, I don't think. She's just promoting her course. Let's try another one here. We connect, well, there goes mine. So here we go. There's mine right there. How to build an affiliate marketing list. And if we scroll down, you'll see right here, best email builder. If we click on this, it takes us to GetResponse through my affiliate link. So that is how, one of the ways that I'm making money with this affiliate marketing stuff. So I did a video, how to build $100 a day affiliate marketing email list for free. Okay. And if we go down here, a lot of other people are doing the same thing. If we click on these, they will have links in here to things. See, actually, this guy has a cheat sheet on how to get free subscribers, and in there he probably has an affiliate link. Now, remember I talked about these other types of topics right here? You could do something like this one as well. So on GetResponse, they've got a website builder. Now, the website builder is actually a full AI website builder where you don't need to use code. So I can go ahead and do a video on how to build a website without using code. And as you can see, there's actually videos on this topic with millions of views, hundreds of thousands of views, and people are looking for ways to go ahead and make a website without code. So you can go ahead and promote GetResponse as a platform for them to do that. Another one is you can do a get response review. And if we scroll down, you can actually see one of my videos. I have 2 videos on this, one 3 years ago and one 2 years ago. If we click on this, it's going to go ahead and show you, if we scroll down, I have a link here that tells them to get a free trial. And then you have to put a disclaimer saying they're affiliate links. But once again, if they click on this, I get a commission through GetResponse. Now, another one here is how to start a webinar. Because GetResponse, where is it? GetResponse, you can actually start webinars as well. They don't have it listed here. Well, if we go explore all features, you can see they have all the features down here. And you can do webinars. I don't think they have it listed here. Oh, yeah, there we go, webinars. So you can go ahead and show people how to do webinars as well. And you can do that by using YouTube to send traffic to those links. I highly recommend YouTube because it converts very well. We all start with 0 subscribers, so anybody can do this. I had 0 subscribers once upon a time as well, but I highly recommend you actually promote a free course on YouTube based on the specific topic. And that could be anything like webinars, how to build a website, how to do e-commerce marketing, and you can promote GetResponse to people via YouTube. Or if you want to go and create a free book, you can go ahead and use ChatGPT. All right, guys, so that's one of the ways that I go ahead and I promote GetResponse to make affiliate marketing commissions online, where I get 33% per month for each person that stays on GetResponse under my link. Just wanted to quickly show you that, and this is one of the ways that I'm making money online with affiliate marketing. Don't forget to subscribe, tap that notification bell, smash that like button, and I'll see you on the next video.